Evaluate yourself 6. IE1, IE2, that is ionization energy, that is the first ionization energy and the second ionization energy of elements X, Y and Z are given below. Which is most reactive, least reactive and noble gas? Look at here. This is the tabular column they have given X, Y, Z. Out of that, IE1 for the X element is this and IE2 is this, second ionization energy. And Y element is this value and all that. And the question is, out of this, which is most reactive? So that is the question. You know, if the ionization energy is very less amount of energy is required to remove the electron sense, then that atom will have highly reactive. For example, sodium, it's outermost only one electron, so it easily, very less amount of energy you can apply, can remove the outermost electron soon, because then only then it can attain the octet. Now look at here, when you compare all these things, the ionization energy is very least for Y. So I think it's a highly reactive element. And one more thing, that is one reason, least energy. Another reason is second ionization energy is very high. So you know, once when this alkali metals remove one electron, it gets the stable configuration. For example, sodium, it gets the configuration when one electron is removed, it become Na plus, its configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6. That is stable configuration. From the stable configuration, if you try to remove one more electron, that is the IE2. It's very high. That is 7298. So I think so Y is said to be, the Y is the most reactive metal among all the L's. Okay. The next, which is a noble gas. For that also we can come to a conclusion. For noble gas, when you say ionization energy, noble gas, the ionization energy is maximum. Why its ionization energy is maximum? Because it having the configuration other than helium, it has the configuration Ns2 Np6. It has a stable configuration. So when it has a stable configuration, the first ionization energy itself, it has a high ionization energy. So for both first and second ionization energy for the noble gas is very high. That is 2370 and 5250. So I think that the first X1 is considered to be a noble gas. The next one, which is least reactive. Look at that, Z. So for the reactivity, we are not considering about the noble gas, because already there is a chance for noble gas. So this is the noble gas. So we are leaving. Next, you know that noble gas is the least reactive. Other than that, this is the only else. Look at here. Its first ionization energy is 1680 and the second ionization is 3381. The first ionization energy itself very high, right? So, so that sense it is a very stable element. From the stable element, we have to apply much energy to remove the outermost electron. So when we give much energy, then it shows it's a stable element. Stable element means that will not react very easily to the other. So that is what the meaning. So Z is said to be the least reactive. Okay. So that statement is Y the first ionization energy is low and the second ionization energy is very high. So hence Y is the most reactive element. And Z both IE1 and IE2 are higher and hence least reactive. And IE1 and IE2 are higher comparatively. So the first ionization energy is low. So look at X having the noble gas because it has IE1 and IE2 are higher. So that X is said to be